Attention all businesses. Are you ready to elevate your cybersecurity standards and become Saudi Aramco Cybersecurity Compliance Certified? Introducing CyberSafe Technology, your trusted partner in navigating the CCC program and achieving certification swiftly and seamlessly. Here's the detailed process outlining the steps we undertake on your behalf to obtain Saudi Aramco's Cybersecurity Compliance Certificate. Certification requirements preparation. For companies aiming to conduct business and register with Saudi Aramco, ensure compliance with all controls under the General Requirements section in the third-party cybersecurity standard SACS-002. For companies with active procurement agreements with Saudi Aramco, initiate a request to all proponent organizations within Saudi Aramco that your company has ongoing business with to fill the third-party classification template. Fill the third-party classification confirmation letter. If your company falls under more than one classification, ensure compliance with all cybersecurity controls under the determined classifications. Identify applicable certificate type and assessment requirements. Don't worry about all the steps. We'll take care of getting everything done for you. Don't wait any longer to secure your business's future. Contact CyberSafe Technology today for a consultation and let us help you achieve Saudi Aramco's Cybersecurity Compliance Certification.